Welcome and thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instructions example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.1.03. Example and process. In this example, the cost of a pedestal is calculated. This example cost workup process consists of 3 steps. Step 1, enter dimensions and quantity for each feature. Step 2, enter material prices and quantity for each feature. Step 3, correct errors, analyze and adjust the results. Steps 1 and 2 each have 4 parts. Steps 1 and 2 for both part 1 includes introduction covering foundation principles, conventions and standards such as name syntax of macros, ranges, dimensions, button labels, sheet tabs, button clusters, and elevation sheet. Do's and don'ts is the final subject. Step 1, part 2 is entering base dimensions. Step 1, part 3 is entering door dimensions. Step 1, part 4 is entering shelf dimensions. Step 2, part 2 is entering base material prices. Step 2, part 3 is entering door material prices. Step 2, part 4 is entering shelf material prices. Step 3 is the review and analysis phase of the process. Remind yourself to constantly check the accuracy of data entered. This example 1.1.03 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.1.04.